Madam Speaker, this budget that is grounded in reality, defined by its responsibility, and again, Madam Speaker, this budget will be remembered for its vision and the stable foundation it will establish for Fiji's future success, our children's success, and their children's success after them. This is a true family budget through and through. And just like with smart and responsible family finances, we spend money where it matters. And we made investments in areas that will see a positive return, in improving standards of living, expanding infrastructure, driving important societal change, raising the quality of life for Fijians, and ensuring a secure and prosperous future for the next generation. Madam Speaker, I'd like to end by thanking all of those Fijians who contributed to the budget during our consultations. Our efforts to respond to the impacts of TC Josie and TC Keni, meant that many of those consultations had to be cancelled. But we still received many submissions over mail and online, and we thank those Fijians as well. We have received a number of requests, Madam Speaker, to hold nationwide budget roadshows over the next few weeks to break down the budget and explain its impact on ordinary people and their families. And we hope to see as many people as possible at those sessions. Because it's important, Madam Speaker, everyone get the full picture of how this budget will impact your lives, your families, and your communities. Madam Speaker, we've designed this budget for Fijian families to support them, protect them, empower them, and give them the stability they deserve. And from our youngest Fijians to those entering school for the first time, to those going on to higher and tertiary education, to their parents, and to those in the later stages of their life, this budget delivers every member of every family in the country. This is a budget for breadwinners, the business women and men who put in the work to keep roofs over their families' heads and put food on the table. This is a budget for young and ambitious people, putting new technologies at their disposal, along with new educational opportunities and unprecedented new higher-paying jobs. Younger Fijians who want high-paying jobs to one day support families of their own. Because this is a budget, Madam Speaker, that recognizes we are a young nation. It recognizes the potential of the next generation of Fijians, and it sets them up for incredible success. This is a budget for parents, Madam Speaker, who want to see the children do well and realize opportunities they only dream for themselves. This is a budget for those who care for their own parents and their grandparents at home. This is a budget for those who need assistance, and not a handout, but a hand up. And most importantly, Madam Speaker, this is a budget for our children and for the future. Because this budget, Madam Speaker, can give us all the certainty that we are building a better Fiji and a better world for our children, for our grandchildren, and one day for their own families many years on from now. Because every Fijian family matters, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this budget delivers prosperity for every Fijian family today and for those families yet to come. And for that reason, Madam Speaker, I recommend this budget. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.